Hi and welcome back to QuizzyQuest. Can you answer all questions correctly? Please subscribe and like to support the channel. What is the primary practice associated with Eid al-Adha in the Muslim world? Is it A, gift exchange, B, fasting, or C, animal sacrifice? It is C, animal sacrifice. What is the primary purpose of MRI technology in medicine? Is it A, measuring blood pressure, B, imaging soft tissues, or C, analyzing DNA? It is B, imaging soft tissues. What is the primary function of T cells in the immune system? Is it A, produce antibodies, B, attack infected cells, or C, facilitate blood clotting? It is B, attack infected cells. What was David Livingstone best known for? Is it A, inventing vaccines, B, writing novels, or C, exploring Africa? It is C, exploring Africa. What is the capital city of Kyrgyzstan? Is it A, Almaty, B, Bishkek, or C, Tashkent? It is B, Bishkek. What major online retail platform did Mark Lohr co-found in 2014? Is it A, Amazon.com, B, Jet.com, or C, eBay.com? It is B, Jet.com. What does exchange rate variability measure? Is it A, currency fluctuations, B, economic stability index, or C, trade balance ratio? It is A, currency fluctuations. Which adaptation helps cacti survive in arid environments? Is it A, deep roots, B, thick bark, or C, water storage? It is C, water storage. What does the acronym QGLT stand for in physics? Is it A, quantum gravity lambda terms, B, quantum fluctuations, or C, quark-gluon liquid theory? It is A, quantum gravity lambda terms. Which position did Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva serve in Brazil starting in 2003? Is it A, senator, B, president, or C, governor? It is B, president. What is the primary language spoken by the Khmer people? Is it A, Khmer, B, Thai, or C, Vietnamese? It is A, Khmer. Which year was Drake's album Take Care released? Is it A, 2009, B, 2013, or C, 2011? It is C, 2011. Which iconic music festival is held annually in Vienna, Austria? Is it A, Vienna Philharmonic Concert, B, Salzburg Festival, or C, Montreux Jazz Festival? It is A, Vienna Philharmonic Concert. Which prestigious Ivy League university is located in Philadelphia and is known for its Wharton School of Business? Is it A, Columbia University, B, Harvard University, or C, University of Pennsylvania? It is C, University of Pennsylvania. Which social media platform rebranded as X in 2023? Is it A, Facebook, B, Instagram, or C, Twitter? It is C, Twitter. In which country is the Alhambra located? Is it A, Italy, B, Spain, or C, Morocco? It is B, Spain. What online retailer is Tony Hsieh best known for leading as CEO? Is it A, Amazon, B, Zappos, or C, eBay? It is B, Zappos. What are bills passed by the U.S. House of Representatives? Is it A, Senate resolutions, B, House bills, or C, Supreme Court decrees? It is B, House bills. What central belief does Unitarianism emphasize regarding the nature of God? Is it A, duality of God, B, Trinity of God, or C, oneness of God? It is C, oneness of God. What is the primary purpose of the Burning Man Festival? Is it A, radical self-expression, B, music competition, or C, art exhibition? It is A, radical self-expression. Who co-discovered the structure of DNA with Francis Crick? Is it A, Charles Darwin, B, James Watson, or C, Gregor Mendel? It is B, James Watson. Who is the current Prime Minister of Canada? Is it A, Stephen Harper, B, Justin Trudeau, or C, Pierre Trudeau? It is B, Justin Trudeau. Which year was the song Umbrella, featuring Jay-Z, released by Rihanna? Is it A, 2005, B, 2010, or C, 2007? It is C, 2007. What is the term mean commonly referred to in statistics? Is it A, average value, B, median value, or C, mode value? It is A, average value. What is the primary function of veins in the human body? Is it A, produce hormones, B, carry blood to the heart, or C, filter toxins? It is B, carry blood to the heart. What is the capital of Jordan? Is it A, Beirut, B, Riyadh, or C, Amman? It is C, Amman. What type of instrument is a harp classified as? Is it A, string instrument, B, wind instrument, or C, percussion instrument? It is A, string instrument. What did Newton develop to explain gravity? Is it A, laws of motion, B, theory of relativity, or C, quantum mechanics? It is A, laws of motion. What is the main theory that describes the relationship between mass and energy in physics? Is it A, theory of relativity, B, quantum mechanics, or C, classical mechanics? It is A, theory of relativity. Which philosophy is focused on the 5 key relationships to establish a well-ordered society? Is it A, Buddhism, B, Taoism, or C, Confucianism? It is C, Confucianism. What is the name of the dance style characterized by its graceful movements and theatrical performances in ballet? Is it A, hip-hop, B, contemporary, or C, jazz? It is B, contemporary. Which year was the song Peaches by Justin Bieber released? Is it A, 2021, B, 2020, or C, 2022? It is A, 2021. What is level editing used for? Is it A, building maps, B, creating characters, or C, writing scripts? It is A, building maps. What economic phenomenon refers to the difficulty in affording basic needs despite rising living costs? Is it A, inflationary gap, B, economic downturn, or C, cost of living crisis? It is C, cost of living crisis. What scientist won 2 Nobel Prizes in chemistry and peace and is known for his work on chemical bonds? Is it A, Albert Einstein, B, Linus Pauling, or C, Marie Curie? It is B, Linus Pauling. Which prestigious program is Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT, known for in the field of engineering? Is it A, agriculture, B, history, or C, computer science? It is C, computer science. What type of game is Carcassonne known for being? Is it A, card game, B, tile placement, or C, strategy board? It is B, tile placement. What is the primary function of smart glasses? Is it A, traditional eyewear, B, augmented reality, or C, reading glasses? It is B, augmented reality. What Chinese dynasty is known for its long-lasting impact on culture and government? Is it A, Han Dynasty, B, Tang Dynasty, or C, Ming Dynasty? It is A, Han Dynasty. What is a non-traditional haiku? Is it A, 575 syllables, B, free verse poem, or C, sonnet form? It is B, free verse poem. Which ocean does the Cape of Good Hope help to mark the boundary of? Is it A, Arctic Ocean, B, Indian Ocean, or C, Atlantic Ocean? It is C, Atlantic Ocean. In which film did Tessa Thompson play the character Valkyrie? Is it A, Creed, B, Black Panther, or C, Thor, Ragnarok? It is C, Thor, Ragnarok. What is the capital city of Afghanistan? Is it A, Kandahar, B, Kabul, or C, Herat? It is B, Kabul. What is the name of the prestigious scholarly program established by Columbia University for top students in various fields? Is it A, Ivy League, B, Core Curriculum, or C, Honors Program? It is B, Core Curriculum. Which trading card game involves players using monsters, spells, and traps? Is it A, Pokemon TCG, B, Magic the Gathering, or C, Yu-Gi-Oh! TCG? It is C, Yu-Gi-Oh! TCG. What musical term refers to the quality of a sound that distinguishes it from others of the same pitch and volume? Is it A, timbre, B, pitch, or C, rhythm? It is A, timbre. What concept does the many worlds interpretation suggest about quantum mechanics? Is it A, time travel is possible, B, multiple universes exist, or C, light behaves as waves only? It is B, multiple universes exist. Which social media platform is Grayson Dolan best known for using to create comedy and lifestyle content? Is it A, TikTok, B, YouTube, or C, Instagram? It is B, YouTube. What is the longest river in the United Kingdom? Is it A, Severn, B, Thames, or C, Mersey? It is A, Severn. Who is the president of China as of 2023? Is it A, Hu Jintao, B, Li Keqiang, or C, Xi Jinping? It is C, Xi Jinping. If you enjoyed our quiz, feel free to donate via Super Thanks. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and stay tuned for more exciting quizzes. See you next time on QuizzyQuest.